been really refreshing. Everyone's been very welcoming. The area and everything is very clean. The commute is great. The town is great. It's just a really nice company to work for. We really feel appreciated. I chose Carlson for a few reasons. The commute is fantastic. Cedarburg's a great place. Very predictable traffic. The opportunities that were presented to me here and offered to me were awesome as well. I'm able to run a 5-axis machine that I've never been able to do before, so they have faith in me that way, which is really nice. And I know a few people that work here and they've loved it as well. Training's been great. Everyone's very patient, really kind. If you have any questions, whether it be big or small, they're happy to help out. Just really nice, friendly people. Been here a little over 2.5 months, and I really feel confident, and they've been very patient with all questions and everything like that. So training's been great.